Hi students, welcome. So now we are going to discuss about how to draw the section of solid for a given problem. Our problem is a hexagonal pyramid, side of base 25 mm and altitude 70 mm long, rests with its base on HP with two of its base sides parallel to VP. It's cut by a sectional plane perpendicular to VP and inclined 45 degree to HP and passing through a point 15 mm above the base and located on the axis. Draw the sectional top view and true shape of the section. Clear? So this is the problem as per our given values. So first we draw XY reference. Clear? So the solid is hexagonal pyramid. So when two of its sides perpendicular to VP. Instead of that, let's consider when two of its sides comes to parallel to VP. But out of these two, as per our condition in problem, with two of its base sides parallel to VP. Therefore, this position is correct one. I understand. So therefore, you draw that hexagon like this. And it is pyramid. Therefore, slant edges must be mentioned. Therefore, it join the diagonals, that is opposite corners. So now here the sides, side 1 and side, when two of its sides are parallel to VP. So immediately we assign that letters A, B, C, D, E and F and apex O. Clear? So now you draw the projection line from each and every points. Let's consider from A here, from B and F, same single projection. Next apex and also axis. Clear? Like this. And next B, C and E projection. Clear? Like this. And D projection. So now the solid is, the base is resting on HP. Clear? Like this. So here the axis also is there, no. So the axis long is 70 mm. So it is axis line. Clear? And this one is, we know that it is 70 mm size. Here that edge, similar case here to here. Clear? Next here to here. Then this one. Now this is the front view, this one is top view. Clear? So before cut, so therefore this portion is A dash, this is B dash comma F dash, this one is C and E dash, this one is D dash, and this is apex O dash. Clear? Right. So this is front view and top view over. Now the solid is cut by a sectional plane. The sectional plane angle is how much as per this problem is 45 degree inclined to HP and perpendicular to VP, and it's passing through 15 mm on the axis from base. So the total height is 70, therefore 15 means it comes to here. So in this axis point, the 15 mm distance, you draw the 45 degree line. Understand? 45 degree line. For example, in case this is 45 degree line, clear? This one, for here the approximate dimension, here I got the cutting plane, it cuts on the base in my case. Okay, so maybe So as per the exact dimension, the cutting plane comes to here or otherwise here somewhere. Okay, so it's cut this all the slant edges or otherwise base. For example, we know the procedure how to draw. Clear? So here, for example, it's cut the base means we get 2 points, because the base in this case F to A and A to B. So already we know that the cutting plane cuts the horizontal surface means definitely we get 2 cutting points. So here F to A and A to B, here 2 points. Next, in these slant edges OB and OF, here also 2 cutting points. Next, here OC and OE slant edge, therefore here also we get 2 cutting points. And last one is OD, only one slant edge, therefore only 1 cutting points. So here 1 dash, this is 2 dash, this one 3 dash, it is 4 dash, and this is 3 comma 5 dash, 2 and 6 dash, and 1 and 7 dash. Clear? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 here. So after that we draw the projection line from here to here, like that. See that the projection lines from here to here, this is 1 and 7 projection. You draw that, number 1 on AB line and number 7 on FA line. Next, the 2 and 6 on OB and OF. You draw the projection line. So on OB line, this is number 2 and this is number OF line, this is number 6. Next, 3 and 5, you draw the projection line. Clear? From 3 and 5. So it lies on OC and OE. Therefore, on OC, this is number 3 and OE, this is number 5. And last one is from 4. The 4 point is lies on OD. Therefore, OD, the cutting point is, this is 4. Therefore, we know that this is 1, this is 2, this one 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now the line joining 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 and 7 to 1. Clear? Like this. So in this problem, it's cut and removed means here 7 to A to 1, that portion is completely removed. Therefore 7 to A and A to 1, that part is removed. Clear? And also here the OA, the total slant edge is gone. Next, O to 2 and O to 6 slant edge, similarly O3, O5 and O4 slant edges are removed. That means the total OA is over, removed. Next, O to 2, O to 3, O to 4, O to 5, O to 6, that portions are removed. Therefore, finally there is no apex. In top view also there is no apex with some portion of the slant edges. So now the final portions are, after cut and remove, from here to here, here to here, this one, that's all. Similar case in top view, this part here, the base portion, like this. So here the 7 to A to 1, that part is not there. So therefore we want to erase it, or otherwise we made it by thin by 2H pencil. So finally the hatching surface is lies between 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So that line is 45 degree by 2H pencil. inclined with xy. So this is the sectional top view and this one is front view. Clear? In this problem, the cutting plane is inclined to the base, therefore the solid is called truncated solid. Therefore in truncated solid, the true shape and top view, sectional top view, that cross sectional area is not same. Therefore the true shape you want to draw separately. How to draw the true shape means you draw a line perpendicular with the cutting plane from the cutting edges. So 1 and 7, 2 and 6, 3 and 4, 3 and 5, 4. After that, immediately you draw the line parallel to cutting planes. So this is considered as x1, y1 reference. After that, we know the procedure based on the trapezoidal in projection of plane topic, line topic. So xy to 1 distance is lies from 1 dash line. Instead of xy, we taken as x1, y1. Similarly, xy to 7 distance on 7 dash line from x1, y1. Likewise, so here to here, number 1 on 1, we get this is number 1. And on same line, here to here 7 is there on same, because it is 1 dash comma 7 dash line. So therefore from here to here 7, same here to here 7. Next, from xy to 2 distance, clear, on from 2 line from x1 y1, this is, it is 2. On same projection line, xy to 6, same on 2 projection from x1 y1, 6. Next, xy to 3 distance on 3 line, here to here 3. Next, same projection line, xy to 5 distance, same, it is 3 dash comma 5 dash, no, xy to this one 5. Next, xy to 4 distance, same from 4 dash line, this one, it is 4. So now the line joining 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1, clear. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6 and 6 to 7, and then 7 to 1, clear. So this is the true shape of the given component. Here the hatching lines compulsory must be draw. That hatching lines is 45 degree inclined to x1 y1 by 2H pencil. Clear. So this is called true shape. Clear. So this is the solution for our given problem. Thank you.